So, good morning. We're way up a river, way up. It's about 9 feet in here. Nice spends, working for trout this morning. See what happens. I've got an X-Wrap just kind of hanging out the back here. I've got the, on the left side, I've got a Carolina rigged mullet head. And I'm gonna work some topwater along here. Oh, I saw something right there, just surfaced. So, thanks for joining. I'm out here with my buddy Evan. We'll see if we can put some in the boat. Yeah, right there. That looks good, huh? Let's see if I can. Try working, work a shrimp through here. Let's see what happens with that. There was something hit it in there. So there, I just saw something working on the top. Got bait on the top. Okay, we got bait up here. I'm gonna try to get some bait. So what I'm seeing is I threw my Rapala, my X-Wrap up in this little feeder creek here. And I saw bait. I think it was shrimp, but it might have been minnows. I don't know. We'll see. Or minnows. It might have been mullet. We'll see. Guessing it's gonna get real shallow over here. Oh yeah, I see. Actually, I think that's mullet. He thinks it's mullet. Maybe I got one or two. Let's see. I got something. Oh, good bait. Good bait. Sweet. This is what I'm talking about. All right. Now that I have bait, live bait, now I'm gonna go work some holes on the outgoing See what I can find. Oh, that is a big old gar. That's what it is. All right. So knowing that it's a gar, I'm not gonna spend a lot of time here. I hope he eats it. It'll be fun to catch a gar. There's something. It's moving it here. There's a fish. Is it a gar? Is it a drum? What do I have? Ooh, it's staying deep. It's moving like a gar. It's not moving like a drum. Oh, a catfish! Sweet! My wife is always asking for a catfish, so I may keep this guy. Nice. Awesome. Watch those prickers. Sweet. All right, didn't get skunked today. All right, check him out. I think that's a little blue cat. Blue cat or channel cat. Let's see how big he is. Okay, no size limit. Anyways, he's 16 inches or so. And 16 inches, that's a good sized fish. Good eater. Okay. Putting him away, one last look. Nice little channel cat. Should be good eating. Fry him up. Fry him up, chomp chomp. The bite before was very quick. That's why I'm almost... Oops. Let's put this one. Oh, there's a fish. We got something. All right, listen to this. I need to close. Bail. Okay. What do we have here? All right. What ate it? That's a little redfish. Oh no. Yeah, a little redfish, all dotted up. Uh-oh. I think I can boat flip this guy. Is it 18? No, 16, 18, something like that. All right, pretty little redfish. Sweet. Yeah, buddy. This one's too small to keep. Pretty though, 4 dots, 4 spots on one side. 4 spots on one side, 3 spots on the other. Say 17. Let's get back, 16, 17, something like that. All right, so that's 1 catfish, one redfish. puppy drum. Sounds spot checking. I'm just in between there, in between there. I'd like to go under there, but what do you do? I don't want to lose. I don't want to be retying all day. Oh, there I got hit. Oh, I got eaten on this one. Nice. Oh, broke it off. Weird. Oh, oh, that one came off too. Dang it. This one at least didn't break off. Okay, that was in the middle. Dang. Okay, I gotta retie this one. Boy, I don't know what happened here. This one is completely broke off. Oh, I got eaten here, I think. Yep. Oh, he tied up again. There it is off. Keep him up. Keep them out of the garbage, Mike. There's a lot of stuff down on the bottom. Another redfish. Another redfish. All right. Little guy. Nonetheless, another one. All right. Blue tail all fired up. Sweet. Yes. Oh, he was barely hooked. I'm lucky he didn't come off. One dot each side, blue tail. Pretty fish, huh? Let's get him back. Okay. Is he still alive? Just got ate right down here. And oh, I got ate again. There he is. There's one. What is that? That's a redfish again. There we go. Another little boat flipper. All right. Same class, just this is a little smaller actually. It's about 14, 15 maybe. God is good. 3 redfish, 2 bites that I missed, and 1 catfish. Sweet. Let's get him back. Ooh, he took off right back to where he was. There's a fish. There's a fish. Okay. All right. Another little redfish. All right. All right, another little redfish. Let's get him back. Pretty okay. All right, so I'm turning though, which is great news.
this will close out. I'm just kind of waiting for tide to come up so I can get out of here. I could probably get out now, but it'll be easier if I wait a little bit. 4 or 5 drum on the day, 1 catfish, so it was a lot of fun. Small class of fish, but it was a good time being out and actually catching something. These are my first fish this year. So thumbs up, thank you Lord. Come on along on the next trip. Like, subscribe below.